Hey, what's up guys? Today we're unboxing this No the Duck bundle from Novelkeys. So, if you're wondering what's in this bundle, it comes with this cute little No plushie. He's holding his keyboard, and it comes with a matching desk mat. I picked this up because for each one purchased, $10 is donated to the Children's Heart Foundation. So, let's hop into this and see if this thing's as cute as it looks. Put this away. Alright. So, oh, it comes in a little bag. We've got a sticker, like one we've seen before from Novelkeys. Let's get everything out of this box and get this box out of the way. So, Novelkeys' newest rebranding of everything. I like their new packaging. It's definitely a step up from the standard plastic sleeves that we're used to seeing. Here is the technical specifications, should you so need to know the technical specifications of a desk mat. But let's get it out of this sleeve and see what it looks like. Alright, so first off, it's blue. And there is No over here on one side. Let me zoom out a little bit, see if I can get a little better for you there. So yeah, so it's got No. It's not really pastel, but you know, a light yellow on blue makes for a nice aesthetic if you're a fan of blue and yellow. Now let's see if we can get this box out of the way and lay this down. So let's take a look at the little plushie. It comes with this little yellow bag with a duck on it. Let's see what it looks like here. We've got our No plushie, little yellow No. He is about, let's see, tape measure. Oh, I'll tell you exactly how tall he is. So he is about 7 inches from top to bottom. Nice little companion to sit on your desk. Brings his own keyboard. You don't have to provide one for him. But yeah, so that's the No the Duck bundle from Novelkeys, guys. And thanks for dropping by. I look forward to seeing you at the next video. Hit that like and subscribe below if you haven't already. Thanks for being here and hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.